Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. And the boys are both here. Smudge, you might see his ears right here. And then, Blue sitting down. Smudge just left because they can't share. I can't help that. Anyway, y'all, welcome to Mask Monday. I was just turning on the camera and he jumped up. I'm gonna do this mask today. These masks, here I have the box right here. I got these masks from the company Marine, I'm thinking marine, because they're marine collagen facial masks. And I did a Mask Monday with these masks, and I did a giveaway and everything. And there are 6 masks in there, and I did one that day, but I want to do another one because it's really nice. And look at how pretty the packaging is. They're all different. There are 6 different ones in the package. And this one is called, mask color is Sapphire Gold. And the one that I did before was a white mask with some different sea sparkly things on it. And this one, yeah, this is what I thought. This is going to be the gold ones that say that they're gold. They have gold emblems on them, and then they are a dark background instead of a white background. So let's put this on. It smells good. It doesn't really have much of a smell, which is nice. It's not strong. But look how pretty that is, y'all. Okay, I'm going to get this on. And then I have some friend mail. And it is Mask Monday, so hopefully you will go see a lot of the Mask Monday people involved. I have some hashtags below: Mask Monday ladies, Mask Monday friends, and Mask Monday. So you can find other channels that do Mask Monday. And I've been doing it for a long time. I really enjoy it. It helps me, especially if I forget to take time to take care of my skin. But I will say that I have been doing, I take care of my skin. There, you know, when I first started my channel, I didn't always do it. I've been taking care of my skin before the channel, but not as much as I do with the channel. I hope that makes sense. Ooh, this is so cold. It's so cold here today, y'all. So cold here today. But look, there's a whale, a seahorse. Okay, yo, it's too cold to put on my skin. Okay, Blue's gonna leave. Woo, I'm not kidding you, it's so cold. I could have warmed it up. You know, you can just warm it up you could run it under some warm water. You could let it set in the sink in warm water. You know, before you open it, you can sit on it even, and that'll warm it up. This feels like there's a tab. There we go. There's a seashell. I thought there'd be, if there's a flap on the nose, it's underneath there. Yeah, there's a flap. I don't know if I'll be able to get it out at this point. Y'all. Okay, feels really good. I know it's just taking too much time. Sometimes if I put them on before, then I figure you might want to see. Anyway, all right, it is Maree, M-A-R-E-E, Marine Collagen Facial Mask. Hyaluronic acid, marine complex, pearl extract. They're very, very nice. They also have eye masks, which I haven't tried yet, but I would like to. And I probably will sometime soon. So that's beautiful. Anyway, okay. So I have a winner from last week. I did a Temu Mask Monday, and I showed you all products that I got from Temu for skincare. I had some sheet masks and a mud mask that was really nice, some eye masks, and the steam masks that are for sleeping or headache and stuff. And I have picked a winner for that, and the winner for that is Elvia Ramirez. So if I remember, I'll put her picture at the end. I may not remember, so don't hold me to it. But Elvia's been a long time subscriber, and I'm really happy she won. So Elvia, I hope that you'll enjoy the masks and get with me make sure your address is still the same. So that is very nice, very comfortable. I'm gonna do this. And then I have some friend mail from Kim. Kim's Happy Place sent me some friend mail. She told me she was sending me something. She had a couple things for me. And Kim is just so organized and good about that. I have some things for her that I've had forever, and they just are sitting. I have several things like that. If I owe lots of people things, and they just sit there. So I apologize for being so I don't know, frazzled. So frazzled, is that what it is? That's what it is, y'all. This feels really good. Okay, so this is the mailer that I got from Kim. It has our home addresses on it, so I'm not gonna show that. But it says friend mail, and there is a beautiful butterfly on the front. Let me see. Maybe I could show that without, maybe not. Well, here, I'll take everything out and then I can fold the, let's see. Okay. It's a beautiful monarch butterfly. Monarchs are just so beautiful, and Kim really loves them. I do too. I love butterflies. Butterflies are so special. So I do have she sent me this sheet mask that we're going to do next Monday. This is the Appeal brand. This is a mermaid mask. That's going to be nice. I'm excited to try that. I like that brand. I'm sure you all know that name. It's a nice brand. And there's some other little things in here. Let's see. Oh, there's these pretty heart stickers. Those are beautiful. They're shiny. Can you see they're shiny? Very nice. There is a card. Oh, there's a card, and then there's okay, hang on. There's a card. And it has like a vintage picture on it. That's cool. Let's see what that says. Oh, this is pretty. Oops. Uh-oh, they fell out. Okay. That's a beautiful card, Kim. I love that. It's got some sparklies on it. It says, "Hey, Mary, here are a few goodies for you. The mask is for our upcoming collab. I love you, my dear friend. Thank you for everything that you do. Love, Kim." Well, how sweet, Kim. Thank you. And her beautiful rose that she likes to draw. Very pretty. And I really love the rose card too, Kim. That's beautiful. And inside the card was one of my favorite eye masks. This is the Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pad. This is like one of those dry eye masks. So I may do those later after this. And then in here, there are a few things. There are a couple of these Good Earth Sweet and Spicy Original Caffeine-Free. These are tea, flavored herbal tea. This is really nice. It smells really good. It makes the house smell good. Sweet and spicy. It's a nice herbal. There's cinnamon and orange in it, and it's really delicious. She sent me a couple packs of that. Thank you, Kim. I like that. That's one tea that Kim really likes, and she shared it with me before. And there is this super cute sticky pad from Bic. Bic is the brand, and this is it. And it's, let's see, what does that say on there? Oh, it says you're beautiful. And it's got a little cup, a makeup cup, a cup with makeup things in it. Can you see that? How cute is that? Thank you, Kim. I love papery things. Love it, love it, love it. And there's this beautiful postcard in here. Let me show it to you. And it says Antiques and Uniques on Maine. So Kim and her mom like to do antique shopping, and she does vlogs sometimes from there. Sometimes she can't because they have music playing, but there's a lot of great antique stores by her. This says, "This is the main antique store that my mom and I go to. It's where I go." Oh, okay. "It's where I got these earrings for you. Thank you for being so awesome. Love, Kim." Thank you, Kim. Antiques and Uniques on Maine. They have a couple of shops that they really love, and that's one of their favorites. And then there is a beautiful set of earrings in here. This is, look at this cute bag. Look at that cute bag, y'all. It's got little moons on it and stuff. A little drawstring bag. Isn't that cute? Thank you, Kim. Cute, cute, cute. And then these beautiful earrings. So these are, I don't know what you call that. It's kind of a stone. They're pink. Can you see? They're, you know, like a not brass, copper. Yeah, I'll call that sort of coppery color. And then there's like the pink zirconia. Is that what you call a stone like that? And then this, though, is, you know, like a milk glass, but pink. So I'm not sure what that's called, but they're beautiful. Very antique-y looking. Whoops, I hit the cord for that. That's beautiful. Thank you, Kim. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is something that, see, like when we get different boxes and things, and we, a couple of us, Patty's Place, Jean Louise, Kim's Happy Place, I talk to them every day in a group, and we'll say, oh, I like that or something. So they will, we'll send each other things. And Kim sent me one of my very favorite product lines ever. It's in the top 2. This and 111 Skin. Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Eye Revive Mask. And I don't know that I've ever had this because it's a big container, and it is for your eyes. Usually, you know, these bigger containers are for your skin. So I don't think I've ever had the Eye Revive. I may have had it in a sample size, you know, like from Ipsy or whatever, but look how pretty their packaging is, always so beautiful. You see that beautiful? It matches my shirt. And then they have the beautiful lucite. And if I didn't have a mask, I'd put this on right now. But it's always a nice thing here like this to lift, to open. If you can get a grip on it. There we go. Oh, look. Oh, wow. It looks really cooling, like a cooling gel. That's beautiful. I'm just about done with the eye. I'm using Sunday Riley eye cream right now. And this will be next for me. And there's a lot, you know, first of all, this is a big container, and that's a lot of eye stuff, y'all. That'll last a while. So I'm looking forward to using that, and it's so beautiful. The packaging is just gorgeous, and thank you so much, Kim. This is super duper expensive. I don't know exactly how much, but it's not cheap. But, you know, it came in something that Kim got, and I was like, oh, I like that. So thank you, Kim, so much. So that is my friend mail, y'all. And I'm going to leave this on a little bit because it has time to go. It's only been about 10, 12 minutes. And, all right, it doesn't say on the package. Does it say on here how long to keep it on? It probably says on the box. 20 minutes. Wait and relax for 20 minutes. So I'm going to leave it on a little bit, y'all, because it's feeling really, really good. Can you see how pretty it is? Beautiful. There's an angelfish, some starfish. Very, very beautiful. So thank y'all for stopping by, and happy Mask Monday. And I do hope that y'all are taking a little bit of time for yourself, whether it's today or another day out of the week, or hopefully you can squeeze in 15 to 30 minutes every day. That would be ideal. That would be ideal if you can do it. Just to take, you know, because we have to take care of ourselves. Because if we don't do it, who's going to do it? So thank you so much, Kim, for these beautiful gifts. Love it, love it, love it. I'll go over again right quick. The Elemis Eye. I'm so excited about that. The tea, I'm going to make me a cup of this right now when I'm done here. These beautiful earrings. You'll see me wearing these in a future video. Super cute postcard. I'm going to put that on my refrigerator because it's just cute. And the Dew of the Gods eye mask, which I'm going to use very quickly too. And then we'll be doing this next week, y'all. Look for that. It's just going to be Kim and me, and we're going to do, you know, a mask giveaway. And this is the mask I used today. Thank y'all for stopping by, and count your blessings. Bye-bye, y'all.